Thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their car cup holder tray. This is a car cup holder expander with a folding tray. Kind of see the design here, non-slip cushion, photo of the tray, model number of materials, and basically what comes in here. Let's open this up. Nice instruction manual on top, and then you know, all of the little, look at that, they even include a screwdriver. Parts you would need. There's that. Very nice. And then, of course, a folding tray. Wow. All right, that's it for the box. We'll put this all together and show you what it looks like in our car. And so we have put this all together. You can see our little tray can open up. And when you go to put it in your car, you just twist this to make these little parts come out more to grip into your cup holder. So that way it can fit, as you can see, a pretty large size cup. And of course, if you need less, you just tighten it. So we're gonna go put this in my car to show you exactly what it looks like. And so here it is installed in my car, nice and secure. And of course, would have the extra food tray. So very easy to set your food up here, still have your drink here, and have everything nice and neatly in your car. For me, for example, while I'm supercharging, this would be great. I can put my food here to eat. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.